In, forward. Good, one more. Good, excellent, one more. Good, good, and rest there. Yes, excellent, good. Hi and welcome to KalariLab Online. Today I am joined by Angie and Veronica from Russia. So we're going to look today at the second part of our kind of bringing all the postures back together video. Last week we did 5, today we're going to do another 5. Slightly more dynamic ones today. So we're going to start with a walking lion. So for that I just want you to stand with your feet apart like you would for the elephant. Okay, so just to remind you, that's 2.5, maximum 3 hands between your feet. And then I just want you to sit down into the elephant. So sit back like you're trying to find the chair and keep your arms crossed in front. Okay, bring your feet a little bit together. Great, and keep the knees open and this back. And then from here we come forward. So we're going to move the left leg, 1, and the right leg, 2. Now we want to keep this space quite small. Again, it should be the same, 3 hands. This back leg is open, and here we turn towards the front leg. And we can just bring the arms for now. We can keep them here. And then we come again, in, forward, in, forward. So open here, in, forward. Good, one more. Good, excellent, one more. Good, good, and rest there. Yes, excellent, good. Okay, so just simply like that, all right? Take care when you're doing this that you don't end up with your feet wide far apart like this or too far apart over here. Of course, it's going to be different for us all, but we want approximately 3 hands between. And most importantly, keep this knee out. Don't let it drop in. Keep it out, okay? Great, okay. Next we'll do the wild boar. So we're standing here to start. One leg in the front. We're going to lean forward and then rock back. The back of the hand to the forehead. Then here comes down into the navel, down until the shoulder is by the knee, and then up here. Again, the same distance between the feet. So we'll just relax again because we want to make that move. So we step forward with this foot here, lean, back, down, and we go 1, 2, here, and relax. Again, just straighten up, lean forward, back, down, forward, 1, 2. Again, come up, try again, come back, down, yes, forward, go. 1, 2, yes, good. One more together. Come up, rock back, down, and go. 1, 2. And here we can cut. Yes, good. Excellent, good. So these are both water poses. We'll now look at 2 fire poses. The first one we're going to look at is the rooster. So we're just lifting up to here. And you can place the right hand on the top, or you can keep the arms here or here. Try to keep this leg in extension, invert the foot and lift the toe. Excellent, good. The other position you can have for the leg is here, resting in external rotation here. And as you remember, this is the posture that we move through when we're doing the rooster kick. So we can try together the rooster kick. So from here, push the heel like this. Come up, kick, and down. Forward, back, push the heel, kick. Yes, good. Come back. So you come up, kick, down, and forward. Yes. Kick, forward. Good. Kick, forward. So within that movement, here is our rooster. Okay, it's a fire pose, increasing the fire in the body. Second fire pose we'll look at is the fish. Maybe we just come a little forward. So, we're going to go with the right leg as the standing leg, keeping the hip down, and we extend the right arm then forward. The left arm is here, and then try to come as much as you can into the horizontal. Excellent, very good. So there's a very slight lifting here in the hip. You may have the same thing. For now, don't worry about it. We can take this away later on. Excellent. And then coming back. We'll try once on the other side. So onto the left leg. This time reaching, with the left arm. Good, excellent. Okay, and now, again introducing a more dynamic pose, we're going to look at the snake. Now, this is from the fifth of the Vannakam. This is to kind of give respect and connect with the Kundalini energy. So please only try this exercise gently, okay? So we'll again come a little forward. So we bring the hands from here, we step back, plant the foot, keep the foot flat and keep the legs straight. And then come all the way to the ground. Turn, push with your front foot, moving now over the right, square, and come back. Excellent. Looking at the hands. So always look, just keep looking on the hands. Good, excellent. Looking the hands. Now from here, come back. 1, 2. Here. Over. Touch the ground. Heart, mic. Pick up the fluffy thing. Bring your left foot in. Kick. Feet together. Arms together. Excellent. And there it is. Well done. Thank you. Thank you. Hope to see you again in the next video. Hope you've enjoyed today. For now, Vannakam. Bravo.
Yeah.
Again.